of wisdom, steady and bright, through the shadows that dance in the quiet night. Let truth be the lantern that shows me the way. Courage calls like a lion's roar. Through storms unseen, I'll rise once more. Wisdom, courage, justice, grace, temper my soul in every place. Four pillars strong, they carry me, virtue shining, setting me free. In the halls of justice, I hear the sound of mercy's whispers. Where truth is found, temperance leads me to balance and peace. A steady hand, a gentle flame, through trials fierce I